Hey guys, this is JMizzle24 back with another video, giving y'all an update. I found a deal on a transmission, and spoke with the guy at the yard, and I should be picking it up next week. So once I get the transmission here, it's going right here. Where his jack is going right there. And then I also had to get a new torque converter, all new fluid and all that stuff like that. And then I'm just gonna take all the sensors and solenoids and switch it over to the new one. So the new solenoids and everything that I swapped over, they're going on the new transmission. So I think it's sometime in June I should have everything, and I will start doing taking everything apart and getting started. So help me out by either sending people my way for Street Speed Unlimited. This is the shop that I own. Just trying to get some more work so I can have the money to do all this, man. So it's kind of slow right now, but I did want to pull the RDX in here, and we winding down, man. So June, everything should be purchased and ready for install. So you have a first gen RDX and you are interested in the front mount intercooler, hit me up. I'm gonna put the email address to contact me regarding it, but all the piping is 2 inches, and actually I'm not going to be doing a 2.5 inch blow up valve pipe here. All of this is going to be 2 inches, and I'm going to have a blow off valve adapter there, so I can put the blow off valve like I have right here, but it's all going to be 2 inch piping. And my the map sensor is going to be going right here as well. So that's going to be the updated design, but it's all 2 inch piping to a front mount intercooler here, in which I have all piping, and I have a front mount intercooler right here. So that's the intercooler. This is the piping kit. The only thing that's needed is the blow off valve piping and or the inner Jesus, I can't tell, the blow off valve pipe or the adapter, and then the adapter for the map sensor. So that's the only thing I got to do, and then take it next door, get them welded up, and then it'll be good to go. And this is going to be for the 2007 to 2012 RDXs. Now the 2010 to 2012, it should be pretty much the same, but I don't quite know. I know that the bumpers are different, but headlights and everything is all the same. So under the hood should all look the same as well, unless you got a all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. So mine is all-wheel drive. Front-wheel drive shouldn't be no different. So, but yeah, this is going to be a bolt-on kit. So I did want to let you guys know that I'm still doing front-mount intercoolers. So if you're ready to spend the money, hit me up. Like I said, I'm going to put the email address on the screen somewhere. So yeah, man, go ahead and like and subscribe to the videos, and yeah, man, out.